Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete Facebook Story Archive, privacy control step by step clearly. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to the correct account. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right on iPhone or the top right on Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy to expand the options. Tap Settings to open your full account settings page. In the Accounts Center section, tap Accounts Center to manage meta-wide privacy settings. Tap your information and permissions to find tools related to your stored content. Tap Download your information if you want to save a copy before deleting anything. Go back one screen after checking your download options. Tap Search in the settings area if you cannot find the archive controls quickly. Type Story Archive in the search bar and open the related result. If you see an archive section, tap Archive to open your archived items. Select Story Archive to view all stories saved automatically. Tap the story you want to remove to open it in full view. Tap the three dots in the top corner to open more actions. Tap Delete and confirm to permanently remove that story from the archive. Repeat the same delete action for each story you do not want stored. If you want to stop future stories from being archived, go back to the Story Archive screen. Tap the settings or gear icon inside the archive view if it appears. Find the option called Save Stories to Archive or Story Archiving. Toggle the switch off to prevent Facebook from saving new stories to your archive. Return to Settings if you do not see the toggle in the archive screen. Go to Profile Settings by opening your profile and tapping the three dots or settings icon. Open Story Settings to manage how your stories are saved and shared. Locate the archiving option and switch it off to disable automatic archiving. To tighten privacy, open Settings and Privacy again and choose Privacy Checkup. Review who can see what you share and set your story audience to the right people. Review how people can find you and limit unwanted visibility if needed. Double-check your archive one more time to confirm deleted stories are gone and archiving is off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.